Hello student, I will explain the chapter number 4, the enemy from Vista. I gave you introduction of this chapter. It is the time of the World War II. Japan is at war with America. An American prisoner of war gets washed away to the doorstep of Japanese Dr. Sadao Hockey. The choice is very hard for Dr. Sadao and his wife. Should they hand him over to the police or save him from dying? Being a doctor, Sadao gives top priority to save the life of a dying man. Not only does he save him, but also help him in escaping to freedom. Now, I will summarize the chapter. Dr. Sadao Hockey, a famous Japanese surgeon and an accomplished scientist, lived in a house on the Japanese coast. He was married to Hana, a Japanese whom he had met while studying in the US. Sadao was not sent in the Second World War because he was into research. Moreover, General Takema, who was old, was being treated by Sadao. The prisoner is washed ashore now. One night, Sadao and Hana found a wounded man washed ashore. He was unconscious and was bleeding profusely. Sadao saw that a blood-bound had reopened. Sadao wanted to throw the man back into the sea, as he had now realized that he was an American prisoner of war. Hana also agreed. Sadao knew that giving shelter to the enemy would get them into trouble. He was turned over his moral duty as a doctor, which urged him to save the dying man, and his national duty, which required handing him over to the army as a patriot. Both Hana and Sadao finally decided to take the man home as he was in need of urgent medical attention. The servant reacted bitterly. They carried him to Sadao's father's bedroom as his father was no longer alive. The American was very dirty and needed to be washed. Hana said that Yami, the governess, might wash her. However, Yami and other servants were frightened as Sadao had given shelter to an American soldier, so Yami refused washing the soldier. Sadao operated upon the soldier with the help of Hana and removed the blood. The patient get better, but servant decided to leave. After being operated, Hana took good care of the man. She served him as the servant refused to enter the room. The man was surprised to see Hana talk in English. The enemy revealed his name to Hana. His name was Tom. Sadao was still confused about handling him over to the police. The servant resented their decision to help the American soldier and left Sadao house. The general messenger Sadao goes to see the general. One day a messenger in official uniform come to Sadao house. Hana was too scared that she was unable to speak. She thought that he was there to arrest Sadao for sheltering Tom. In fact, the messenger had come to inform Sadao that the general needed him. Sadao told the whole episode to the general. The general knew that Sadao was indispensable to him. The general promised Sadao that nothing would happen to him. The general then planned to get the American soldier assassinated. He told Sadao that his private assassins were very competent and would also remove the dead body. After that meeting, Sadao spent 3 restless nights waiting for the assistant, but they didn't come. Finally, the torture became too much to bear for him. He planned to get rid of the enemy himself. Now Sadao helped the enemy. Sadao told the escape plan to Tom. He arranged a boat, food, drinking water, and clothes for the young man, and also gave him his own flashlight. He told Tom that he would flash the lights 2 times if he needed something. Once, if everything was fine, he must do this only when the sun dropped under the horizon. He further added that Tom could find many fish to eat, but he should eat them raw lest the fire be seen. Even Hina didn't know about this plan. Sadao had told Tom to board a Korean ship. Sadao went to the general and informed him that the American had escaped. The general informed Sadao that he forgot about the prisoner as he was unwell. He told Sadao not to leak out his information to anybody. Back at home, Sadao remembered his day in America and Americans he met there. He wondered why he could not kill Tom, his enemy, which is his enemy. Chapter is finished. Thank you.